Hey everybody, it's Marissa from Krietz Customs, here to bring you our newest lifted inventory from Krietz Auto. We're going to take a look at the specs of what Krietz Customs has added to this 2018 Ford F-150 four-door Super Crew. Starting with your lift, it's a rough country 6-inch suspension lift. Going on to your wheel and tire package, it's going to be a hostile H111 Blaze. It is a 22 by 10 with a -25 offset. Your tire is going to be a knitted ridge grappler. It's a 35/12/50/22. So you're going to have a nice clean one-piece armor plated wheel with an aggressive tire. Your fender flares are going to be your rough country painted to match pocketed fender flares, and your running boards are also going to be your rough country wheel-to-wheel Nerf boards. If you guys like this truck, make sure you check out our inventory at KreitzAuto.com. The stock number is D84159. And if you want to build your truck like this, make sure you shoot me a message on Facebook at Krietz Customs or check out our gallery at KreitzCustoms.com.